Alright guys, Super Bowl Saturday na naman dito sa Alabang Basketball League. Syempre guys, palike muna ng aming page and patuloy na suportahan nyo rin po ang mismo show. Here we go. Ito na ang venue ng aming paglalaroan. 2 games for today, Pilipinas Agilas versus Leeds Agri and Uncle Drew Pilipinas versus Mr. Rivers. Let's go!
Jeremy Mahinay. Kenneth De Vega. Kenneth De Vega from John Posada. Foul on number 3, Kenneth De Vega, that is second foul. 2 free throws for Sean Laban. Foul on number 1, Ian De La Paz, that is fourth foul. Also foul called to number 26, Jeremy Mahinay, that is first. Enver Macasero. John Posada, 3. Ira Batalier. Last 2 minutes! Holding foul on number 22, Sean Laban, penalty. That is fourth foul. 2 free throws for J. Mark Leone. Sean Laban. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this hard-fought ball game, the final score is 95-86, won by your Pilipinas Agilas. Welcome to Alabang Basketball League Season 2, second game of our Super Bowl Saturday here in Barangay Bayanan, Muntinlupa City. It is between Mr. Rivers and Uncle Drew Pilipinas. And now, it's time to meet the starting lineup for both teams. First from your Mr. Rivers. Starting at point guard number 39, PJ Fernandez. At shooting guard number 85, Harm Sui. At small forward number 26, Rob Chua. At power forward number 19, Carl Kembao. And at center number 3, Eugene Toba. Playing coach for Mr. Rivers is Harm Sui. And now, let's make way for the starting lineup of your Uncle de Pilipinas. Starting at point guard number 27, John Ray De Quiros. At shooting guard number 16, Junard Cabarida. At small forward number 1, J.R. Illustrissimo. The other forward number 15, R.J. Bangan. Also at power forward number 12, Johan Rivera. Head coach for Uncle Drew Pilipinas is Izon Orsine. Officials for this ball game, Oliver Angeles and J.R. Bagyon. This is your Alabang Basketball League Season 2, second game. At the half, the score is 68-47 in favor of Mr. Reverse. And Mortal, J.R. Eustacimo. Foul on number 28, Rudy Onde, that is first penalty. Two free throws for Martin Fajardo. Substitution, John Rivera for Rudy Onde. Yolo Sumagisay for Chen Piliac. Yolo Sumagisay, 3! Last 2 minutes! Yolo Sumagisay, 3! Arsui, 3! Foul on number 12, John Rivera, that is second. Two free throws for Jan Scott. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this exciting ball game, the final score is 108-96, won by your Mr. Reverse.
And that should do it, guys, for our Super Bowl Saturday dito sa Alabang Basketball League. Konting recap lang po ito. And syempre, continue to like, follow, subscribe sa ating mga social media accounts. Maraming salamat po. This is James mismo show, nagsasabing sabay-sabay sa pag-angat.